The International Criminal Court has said that its jurisdiction extends to territories occupied by Israel in the 1967 Mid-East War, potentially clearing the way for its chief prosecutor to open a war crime probe into Israeli military action. The ICC's chief prosecutor, Fatouh Bensouda, said in 2019 that there was a reasonable basis to open a war crime probe into Israeli military action in the Gaza Strip as well as Israeli settlement activity in the occupied West Bank. And now, Bensouda has said she would investigate both the Israeli military as well as Palestinian armed group, including the Gaza-based Hamas faction, which has been accused of intentionally directing attacks against civilians. The Israeli government has argued that as Palestine is not a fully fledged state, it should not be allowed to petition the court. While Israel has not signed up the international treaty, the ICC mandate is to prosecute people, not countries, including those from states that are not signatories. Palestine used its UN observer state status gained in 2012 to join the ICC and call for an investigation into Israeli action. Benjamin Netanyahu has previously called for sanctions against the court and people who worked for it. It was not clear if Netanyahu also intends to block ICC officials from entering the Palestinian territories, which would hamper its work because Israel controlled access to the West Bank and Jerusalem. While making clear the court was not taking a stance on any border disputes, the judges said that the court's territorial jurisdiction extended to the territories occupied by Israel since 1967, namely Gaza and the West Bank, including East Jerusalem. It rejected Israel's argument, stating that Palestine had the right to be treated as any other state party to its statute. Bensouda has said she intends to investigate incidents that occurred during the 2014 Gaza war between Israel and Hamas. The case could also be expanded to include the alleged killing by Israeli soldiers of more than 200 Palestinians, including more than 40 children, at demonstrations along the Gaza frontier. Separately, Bensouda argued there was a reasonable basis to believe that Israeli authorities had committed war crimes by moving Israeli civilians into the West Bank to live in settlement, and this is against the law made in Geneva Convention. The International Criminal Court is an intergovernmental organization and international tribunal that sits in The Hague, Netherlands. The ICC is the first and only permanent international court with jurisdiction to prosecute individuals for the international crimes of genocide, crime against humanity, war crimes, and the crime of aggression. It is intended to complement existing national judicial systems, and it may therefore exercise its jurisdiction only when national courts are unwilling or unable to prosecute criminals.